Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Smart Sutra. My name is Srinivas. I am a career counselor, mentor and coach. In this video, I am going to show you one of the activity which we conduct at our coaching institute named Smart Sutra. We do coaching for competitive exams and communication skills. This activity is one of the activity of our communication skills activities. And please download our app Smart Sutra and understand what are the curriculums which we deal with. The activity's name is Cross the Hurdle. So by watching the video, you'll understand everything about this. There are a lot of hurdles. One team member from each team will participate and the team will help him or her to cross the hurdle. Total of 2 minutes will be given. First minute, only the teammates will encourage and guide. Once 1 minute is over, the other team can come and distract him. Now imagine if they are saying left, the other team may distract him or her by saying right. So in that first minute, you should recognize what kind of guidance your teammates are giving, because after 1 minute, you will be getting distractions. This is my favorite activity and lot of learnings from this. Okay, it is all about team, the winning spirit, and a whole lot of enjoyment will happen if you play this at your offices, family gathering, anywhere where where there is fun activities required. You can put any hurdles and play this game. The larger area you cover, the more points you get. You can play it in any ways. Just watch this, you can understand. And please watch this video till the end. Please hit the subscribe button or follow us on Instagram if you are watching it on Instagram. And hit the like button also. Please share it to your friends. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, this is our new team building activity. So here are some group of people and they don't know each other. They are from different institute and some are from our institute. So you can see the motto here is, without knowing each other, how can they communicate? So the game here is cross the hurdle. This is the hurdle here. Now if you can see, there is one square and another square, third square, fourth square, fifth square and sixth square. So finally when you reach the last, you get the maximum point. So each square you get 10 points. So one person from each team will be coming. Now imagine this is team A and this is team B. One person from team A will be blindfolded and that person will come and stand in the starting point. Team A will encourage and direct that person to cross this hurdle. The number of hurdles they cross, they get that much point. Total time duration to reach the last point is 2 minutes. But the first minute, there will be no distraction. So team B will not distract the team A. So first 1 minute, they should try to finish faster because there is only encouragement there. Okay, after 1 minute, they can distract, but the encouragement can be on. It should be higher. Any doubts? You all understood what I've said? I repeat, blindfolded, one person will come, you decide who will come. I hope you will make your strategies, what you're going to explain. Any language you can instruct, Kannada, Marathi, English, whatever language that person understands, you use that. You'll be blindfolded. Every block, you'll be getting 10 points. If you touch little, you're out. If you touch this line, also you're out. Yes, you can see the hurdles are too tough. Yeah, but the total time is 2 minutes. So I'll give you 1 minute to make your strategies and who is coming and all should be decided. Total of 4 rounds will be played. 4 here, 4 here. Yeah, 1 minute time, just decide who is going to come. Just talk, communicate. Who is coming first from here? Team A will come first. A, who is coming? Yeah, please come. So Mr. Akshay from team A is coming and from B you should be ready. Who is coming? Okay, I request Rasika ma'am to blindfold him. So we'll check whether it is proper. Yes. And again I'm repeating, only you will be instructing for the next 1 minute, any language. You all will, ma'am, please keep your stopwatch with you. Once 1 minute is done, you all can start. There will be a beep after 1 minute. You all can distract. Okay. Your time starts now.
Both. Small hands. Yeah, both. Oh, yeah, yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. You are left leg also.
Others take part.
No, a bit back. Keep down. Okay. Yeah. And now, one second. In middle. No. Left. Nice. Yes. Yes. You are very right. A big step. You are left leg. A big. Even. Yeah. Down. And your right leg. Ahead of your left leg. Left foot. Left. Ahead. A bit. Yes. Keep down. Left leg. Left foot. No. Okay, give it. Okay. Right side.
Touched, yes. So totally he has crossed 2. Please congratulate him. So he gets 20. Team A gets 20 points. Okay. But I could see others are not showing energy. Please encourage them also to participate. Yes. Yeah. So from team B, who is coming? No. He's coming. Come. Let them come. Please come. Come fast. Madam, you will come. Come fast. Okay.
And please everyone direct me, okay? My
Team is not even listening. Your teammates is saying something.
please direct me properly. Don't stand quiet.
Okay. Timer.
Okay, timer.
Rasika, you're ready?
Yes.
Team B ready? You should distract after.
1 minute.
You please behave like living beings. Energy, show some energy. You are not dead. Start.
Right leg up. Go ahead. No, your right leg is going out of left.
Others.
More. Stop. Right leg, you have to hold it. You have a hurdle right leg. Okay, lift the right leg. Yeah. Wait. Take the right leg above. Take the right leg. Lift it. Go front. Go to front. No, that's hurdle. Keep it down. Lift it out. Keep. Okay. Big step. Big left step. Big step. Lift it. Go straight. Go. Right. Okay, go straight.
Yeah. Gone. You have touched the line. No, I told today it is touching the line. So they get 10 points. Please write 10 points. So congratulations, 10 point. Only 10 point. Be ready. Blindfold him fast. अरे वहाँ जाओ यार पहले बंद हो. What language of? I hope you know what language he speaks. Yes.
अपना लेफ्ट फुट सर राइट अभी थोड़ा आगे in the middle big step okay right left foot big step left foot big step straight yeah
okay now right leg
big step
You touched? Yes, you touched. Yes. So you get 20 points, but you have reached there 20 points. 20 points. Yes, congratulations, 20 points. Yes, someone from here who is coming? Yes. The time starts now.
Right leg, sir.
So the language used here is Marathi. can distract. 1 minute is done, you can distract. Now they can distract. Yeah, the time is up now. Congratulations. By seeing this hurdle, I thought it was impossible. But really, congratulations, you get 60 points. Yes. Yeah, from here, who is coming now? Come fast. We'll be doing 2 more rounds, one here and one there. That's it. So I hope you can see. Yes, quite. I will start. Yeah. So team A is coming now. You can see this lady is completely covered. So there is no way that she's going to look into this. Yeah, your time starts now. Ma'am. Oh, time up, not the time up, the hurdle is touched. So you get how much? Zero, you don't get any point. You can see their faces here, they are very quiet. Yes, team B. Your time, timer, you're ready? Your time starts now.
Lift your left leg. Lift your left leg up.
Oh, so she gets 10 points. Yeah, 10 points. So their total is 80 and they are 40. Yes, sir. We'll have one more round. Yeah? Yes, ma'am, please try her. Okay. This is the last round of this activity. Yeah, your time starts now.
Okay, ಇವಾಗ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್
That is right.
Yeah.
ಓಕೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್
Right.
ಓಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
You're out. Yes, you're out. He cannot believe he's out. Okay. They get how much? 10 points? Yeah, 10 points. Yeah, last from here. Who is coming last? Please go. Go, hurry up. अरे आप जाओ यार, आप जाओ. चलो आप जाओ. He was explaining well, so let's see how he understands things. आंख बंद है. Don't try to jump directly, you'll fall. Okay, your time starts. हाँ बस. Your time starts now. Yes, he has touched. So he has covered 1, 2, 3, 30 points. 30 points. So the winner is Team B with a score of 110 and Team A gets 50. So you can see initially Team A was leading. With time they understood each other well, and so because of that they are the winners. Congratulations. I hope you all had good time.